What's the meaning of baseball? Baseball. Baseball.
Baseball. Baseball. Baseball is a popular sport in which two teams of 9 players each take turns hitting and fielding. The game is played on a diamond-shaped field with 4 bases, and the team with the most runs at the end of 9 innings wins. The origins of baseball are debated, with some tracing it back to early bat and ball games in England and others attributing it to early versions played in the United States. Regardless of its origins, baseball has become an iconic part of American culture, with many fans and players alike considering it the national pastime. The sport combines elements of strategy, athleticism, and teamwork to create an exciting and engaging experience for players and spectators alike.